What is Nodepay Voucher code? The first things first, Nodepay is a platform that enables users to earn passive income by sharing their internet bandwidth and data to contribute to AI training and development. So it actually operates as a decentralized network where users can participate in real-time data pipelines for AI models. Now, some of the users are new users creating an account with NodPay has actually some specific kind of what they say a voucher code. A voucher code is actually a specific feature in which your subscriptions from Nod AI will have a certain amount of percentage for you to be able to lower down the subscription price. It is also a network that allows users to monetize and use internet bandwidth by providing it to AI companies. So basically, the voucher code that you'll be using for NotPay is actually useful. This helps you out lessen the subscription price. Subscription to NotPay will actually also increase your passive income on using this platform. So that's it. That's the NotPay voucher code.